Hey all, I am Naresh Rathore, your economics and your social science teacher. And in the present session, we will study about the power sharing, and some contents of this chapter were explained properly in the previous sessions, and we will continue our study today in the present session. So we'll know about the power sharing once again. Power sharing means sharing of power in different levels, or we can say legislative, executive, and judiciary. So this system is implemented in our country, and there is a power sharing arrangement. And power sharing is essential in the uh, democratic system, because for proper growth of the economy, it is essential. And now I'll tell you about the uh, meaning of judiciary, legislature, and executives. So first of all, I will tell you about the judiciary. The judiciary is a system of courts that interprets and applies law in legal cases. So judiciary is very important for the society, because there are so many classes among the people, so they get judgment using the power of judiciary. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between different social groups. So power sharing is essential uh, for the society, because it helps to reduce possibility of conflicts between different social groups. Legislator, a group of people who have the power to make and change laws. So this is the legislator, and the power is also shared uh, in it. Legislator is a component of the power sharing. So it is a group of people who have the power to make and change laws. So judiciary has the legislator has the power to change laws for the benefit of the society. And executive, the executive executes and enforces laws in the political system based on principle of separation of powers, and authority is distributed among several branches. So dear students, so power sharing is the more essential in our country, because our country is a democratic country, and single authority cannot run the economy, and proper result or proper outcome uh, cannot be achieved if power sharing arrangement is not there in the economy. So it is very essential, because it reduces the conflict among the different classes of the society, and it gives the judgment and for the betterment of the society, economy, and our political system. So power sharing is more essential.